So for the first part of your homework assignment, we're also going to now have the diamond problems not only start with the left and right and the left and top, but also the left and bottom. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint of how to get started with this. So first, what I have here is the code that we just did in the lesson that does the left and right and the top and bottom. Okay? So what we're going to need to do is to take that part of the code again, and we're going to need another if then else block. Okay. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to keep the same code we have here. So if we pick the number 1, this original left and right diamond is going to show up. But if we picked the second one, we're down in the else area. And this is where we're going to use another if then else. Okay, so I'm going to use another pick random deal here. And just to keep things organized, I'm going to say pick from 3 to 4. And let's say that if the computer picks 3 now, we're going to take the code, which is this whole entire chunk, that did the left and top, and put that in the top part. Okay? So if the computer picks 3, we're going to get the left and top. But if not, we're going to duplicate that same type of code again and put that down into the else category. Okay? And I'm not going to change anything with that yet, but I will have to. Okay? And then I'm going to take this whole new if then else and plug it in here into the original one. Okay? So from this point, again, the top part is the left and right. And then now in the bottom part, I put another if then else. So if then a number is chosen, say 3 in this case, this code here is dealing with the left and top diamond. So if I then scroll down, and it is a little bit of an organizational thing, the else part of my second conditional, this is where I am now going to need to change some things so that the left and bottom are shown. Okay, and it's very similar to what we did with the left and top, except now I'm doing the left and bottom. So that's part 1 of your assignment for today. Also, what I would like you to do is to go through, and if you've noticed, because we've done a couple of these diamonds now, you are only getting the numbers 0 through 10 showing up as one of your digits. Okay? So what I'm going to give you a little hint about for that is there's a couple places where this pick random block is used. Okay? Now don't go changing anything that is in, where's one? In a pick random up here. But for instance, right now in this section, I'm setting the left to be a number between 0 and 10. So your goal is to make sure that every number that could show up in a part of the diamond can be any number from negative 10 to 10, just so we get some negative numbers in there. So that's a little bit of a hint for that piece. And then once you have the program working, I'd like you to go through the new final program for 10 different diamonds, write down what the original diamond is and what your answer is, and there is a worksheet at the end of this that you can print out and fill in to turn in.